Morning, everyone. It's 8:38, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 2050. We had a lot of numbers this morning, so let's get right to them. Claims, initial jobless claims, 214,000. That's up from last week's revised 189. Um, so a little bit of a pickup there, and same situation with continuing claims, 1,833 versus 1,806. First look at Q4 GDP, a massive number, very hot, 3.3% versus 2% expectations. Core is 2 versus 2. Durable goods orders, unchanged versus last month's 5.5%. Ex transportation, gaps up 3 times what was expected, up 6 tenths versus up 2 tenths. Retail inventories up 8 tenths versus unchanged. Wholesale inventories up 4 tenths versus a negative number. And trade, of course, a negative 88.5, and that is versus 90 last month. So there you have it. Asia is higher, Europe is lower. The Dow futures, or the futures in general, let's see. Dow is up 71. That's versus minus 50 when I came in this morning. NASDAQ is, let's see. Well, let's go to the S&P. The S&P is up 20. That was up about 10 prior to the numbers. Let's see if we can't get you the NASDAQ up 77. Same, pretty much same as the Dow. So that's where you have it. We have the chart on the screen is oil trading now a shade over 76. As I said the last couple of days, I need to see a close above here. This is December 26th, and that close was 75.57. It looks like we're going to get that unless we reverse today, and that opens up the field up to this light green line, which is the 200-week moving. This is a 200-day moving average. On the weekly basis, let's take a quick look. Weekly basis, again, all we did was bounce off the 200-week moving average, something that we have not closed to get, above in 2 years. So closed below in 2 years. So I'm looking here on a weekly basis, 77 and a half, 78. So that would be very helpful to our XLE position. By the way, Pfizer goes ex dividend today. So even though it looks like it's down, it was actually ex dividend 42 cents. And so the reading this morning, pre-open at 27.95, shows up 4 cents. It's actually 46 cents. So not bad there. The XLE, as I said, 82.30. That's up 51 cents. We are along the 83s. They closed at 120 yesterday. So I expect we'll see a little bit higher movement today. Earnings, Tesla with a miss, down 17 and change at 190. IBM with a beat, 186.53, up 12.60, 7.2%. That's a huge move for that one. Lamb Research up 9. It was all over the place yesterday. CSX basically unchanged, even though it beat. United Rentals up 23.10 or 4% on its beat. Humana beat on revenues, must be a miss on earnings. 349 and a half. That's down $53 or 13%. Las Vegas Sands up a little, even though they missed. American Airlines beats by 18 cents, 1460 up 67 or just under 5%. Service Now up 6 on a beat. Comcast beats by a nickel on earnings and beats on revenue, 45 up $1 and change. Northrop Grumman beats by 47 cents, beats on revenues, gives consensus for the fiscal year 24. Uh, and that is in line. 447.80 down $16. Let's just take another quick look at the futures. Right now, we have the Nasdaq up, the Dow up 74, Nasdaq up about the same, and up about 13 on the S&P. That's about it, folks. Hope everyone has a good day. Be careful out there.